Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious butter lemon sauce. This versatile sauce elevates many dishes, adding a bright, tangy, and rich flavor. We will start by gathering just a few simple, fresh ingredients. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth and perfectly emulsified sauce. Get ready to create a culinary masterpiece in just a few easy steps. Now, let's prepare our key components. Gently melt 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter over low heat, avoid browning it. Next, zest 1 whole lemon, being careful to only get the bright yellow part, not the bitter white pith. Finally, juice 2 fresh lemons, which should give you approximately 1/4 cup of vibrant, tangy liquid. These steps are crucial for the sauce's bright, fresh taste. With the key fob open, you will see the old, circular CR2032 battery. It's usually held in place by small clips. Use your small flathead screwdriver or the valet key to gently pry the old battery out of its slot. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt coin battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards. Your butter lemon sauce is almost ready. As soon as it slightly thickens, remove it from the heat to prevent it from breaking. Give it a quick taste and adjust the salt or pepper if necessary, ensuring a perfectly balanced flavor profile. This delightful sauce is best served warm. Drizzle it generously over grilled fish, steamed vegetables, or even a simple pasta dish for an instant burst of fresh, rich flavor. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.